Looking to start building credit in 2025? Here are 5 beginner-friendly credit cards with no annual fees and easy approvals. If you're buying your first credit card or building credit from scratch in the US, choosing a no annual fee card is a smart move. It lowers your cost of entry, removes one barrier to responsible use, and lets you focus on 2 key habits: paying on time and keeping balances low. Credit card experts emphasize that beginner-friendly cards should have A. No or minimal fee, B. Simple rewards or build credit features, C. Reporting to the big 3 credit bureaus. Below are 5 strong, no annual fee cards for beginners in 2025, with a brief why they're good, who they're for, and what to watch out for. Number 1. Discover It Cashback. Why it stands out. This card offers $0 annual fee and gives you 5% cashback in rotating categories when you activate them, and 1% on other purchases. On top of that, it has a cashback match for the first year. You'll get all the cashback you earned in that year doubled. Invest smart money. Best for beginners who spend in typical rotating categories, like groceries, gas, restaurants, and who want decent rewards while building credit. Things to watch. You'll need to activate the quarterly categories. You'll need to plan your usage to maximize the 5% rate. Also, carrying a balance will wipe out reward value because interest is high. Number 2. Petal 2 Cashback No Fees Visa. Why it stands out? 0 annual fee. And what makes it especially beginner-friendly is that it considers more than your traditional credit score. For example, income, cash flow. So it's often available to people with little or no credit history. Rewards, up to 1.5% cashback. Explore Notiosa. Best for someone with no credit history or minimal US credit history who wants a straightforward card to start building. Things to watch. Rewards are modest. You'll still need to make payments on time and manage usage to get value from the card and build credit. Number 3. Chase Freedom Flex. Why it stands out. No annual fee, good rewards for beginners, e.g. 5% cashback in rotating categories with activation, and 1% on other purchases. Fang Wallet. Best for someone who is already banking with the issuer or has a simpler spending profile, and who is comfortable activating categories each quarter. Things to watch. You'll have to pay attention to which categories are active, and make sure you use the card often enough to make it worthwhile. Also, make sure you pay in full to avoid high interest. Number 4. Citi Dubby Cash Card. Why it stands out. Also, no annual fee and very simple rewards. 2% cashback on all purchases, 1% when you buy, plus 1% when you pay, in some versions. NerdWallet. Best for beginners who want simplicity and don't want to worry about categories or activations. If you have decent credit or starting to build it and prefer a flat reward rate, this is attractive. Things to watch. You may need to meet eligibility criteria, some credit history. And again, paying balances in full is key. The reward value is only good if you're not paying interest. Number 5. Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards Credit Card. Why it stands out. No annual fee and offers flexibility. You choose a 3% cashback category. Gas, dining, online shopping, etc. 2% at grocery stores and wholesale clubs on first $2,500 per quarter, and 1% on all other purchases. Brand vision. Best for beginners who already have some sense of their spending patterns and want to leverage categories where they spend most. Things to watch. The higher reward categories have limits. Example, first $2,500 per quarter. And you'll need to choose the category periodically. Also, ensure you'll benefit enough from categories to make the extra effort worthwhile.